Goldilocks and the Three Bears concluded. The bears angrily marched through their house to their bedrooms, looking for the culprit of what had happened to their home. "Grr!" Papa Bear let out a big growl and said, "Someone's been sleeping in my bed." "Grr!" Mama Bear let out a medium growl and said, "Someone's been sleeping in my bed." Baby Bear quickly ran to his bed. He gasped, "Someone's been sleeping in my bed, and she's still there." Papa Bear tapped Goldilocks as his belly growled. She whined as she rolled over and rubbed her eyes. Her eyes slowly opened, and she saw 3 hungry bears staring back at her and 1 very angry Papa Bear. She leapt out of bed. "Help!" she screamed, running down the stairs, past the broken chair, past the bowls of porridge, and out the door. From that day forward, Goldilocks made sure to stay far away from the home of the 3 bears. However, she did find herself daydreaming about the delicious bowl of porridge and that comfy, cozy bed. They really were just right. The end.